In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh formulas in Google Sheets. Whether you're a seasoned spreadsheet enthusiast or just starting out, knowing how to properly refresh formulas can save you time and ensure your data calculations are always up to date. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Google Sheets. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive and selecting the Google Sheets document you want to work with. Once you have your spreadsheet open, you might notice that sometimes formulas don't automatically recalculate as expected. This can be crucial, especially when working with real-time data or complex calculations where accuracy and timing are key. Now, let's address how to manually refresh these formulas. Our journey begins with a simple click on the File menu. This is your gateway to a variety of options within Google Sheets, and it's located at the top left corner of your spreadsheet interface. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From here, what you want to do is select Settings from this menu. This option is usually toward the bottom of the list, so you might need to scroll down a little to see it. Clicking on Settings will open up a window where you can adjust various preferences for your Google Sheets experience. Within the Settings screen, you'll find a tab labeled Calculation. Go ahead and click on that tab. This section is designed to manage how and when your Google Sheets formulas are recalculated. It's a valuable area when you want to customize how your data updates. Once you're in the Calculation tab, you'll see an option labeled Recalculation. Here, you're going to select On Change and Every Minute. This choice ensures that your formulas will refresh not just when changes occur in the sheet, but also every minute. This is particularly useful if you're working with data that updates frequently, such as stock prices or other live data feeds. After you've made your selection, be sure to click on Save Settings. This step ensures that all the adjustments we've just made are locked in place and your Google Sheets knows exactly when to refresh those formulas. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to refresh formulas in Google Sheets effectively. This little tweak can make a big difference in ensuring your data remains accurate and up to date, providing you with more reliable insights and analytics. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.